Okay, the microwave is powered on. The time is set. The light is on when the door comes on. We have 1 glass of cold water in the microwave. I'm going to set it for 2 minutes. And after 1 minute and looks like maybe, I don't know, 10 seconds, we have boiling water. So you can see the interior is in good shape. Turntable turns as it's supposed to, and it does boil water in a little over a minute. Also, I wanted to point out that there are some scuff marks here along the edge of the microwave, mainly from where the hand grasps the handle. They are not really noticeable to me, but I just wanted to point them out so that you were aware. All right, so there we go.